Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And right now we can focus on the settings, which should be on this panel. If you cannot find them, then just tap on this three dots icon and they should appear right here. Let me tap on it and let's enter the languages, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so in order to add new language, just tap on Add Keyboard, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all available keyboards, all available layouts from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm sure that you will find something. So after finding the language you'd like to apply, just tap on it, and let me pick for example Arabic, because it's, I would say, graphical one. So let's tap on it, and in my case I can choose also the region. So if you can also, all you have to do is simply tap on the region you'd like to use. Here you've got some keyboard options, so obviously you can pick all of them, only one of it. So I will leave this one and tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list, so we can go back to the keyboard and check how it works. And here we've got two differences. First of all, and the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the exact name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm freely typing English as it is set on the spacebar, and after tapping on it I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it, English, and again Arabic. So actually this is it. This is how to add new language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you do not need two different languages added to the keyboard. So let's enter the settings again and enter the languages. And here from this level we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Right now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and in my case it will be Arabic, because I'm not the best in Arabic. And tap on this trash bin icon in the right upper corner again. As you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back you will be able to see that the globe icon disappeared and the spacebar is empty, so it means that we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to add new keyboard language in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.